Oh, hello. How are you today? I was just checking my favorite recipe. It's tray bake. I do love tray bakes. They are so easy to make and yet so mouth-watering and delicious. This one is very straightforward, so just follow along with me for truly delicious results. Let's go! Put 8 egg yolks in your mixing bowl. Add 1/2 cup of sugar and continue mixing. Add 1 cup of melted butter. Add 1 can of condensed milk. Add 1/2 teaspoon of baking powder and 1 cup of powdered milk. Add 2 cups of all-purpose flour. Continue mixing until all ingredients are incorporated. Line your tin with greaseproof paper. Spread half of your mixture into your tin. Add a middle layer of 1 can of caramel. Now add the rest of your mixture. Garnish with pistachio nuts. Bake at 180°C for 30 minutes or until golden brown. Leave to cool. Chill overnight. Cut to preferred size. I love tray bake. you enjoyed, please subscribe, love, like, and share. Bye-bye! See you in my next video.